Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Total Bravo, Raging Bull, coming back at y'all with another vid. So, this is a follow-up video of the shoes that I sent to Kirby Allison's Hangar Project, Jim McFarland Shoe Repair in Lakeland, Florida. So, I got my shoes and come with this Hangar Project Kirby Allison shoe packaging. So it's pretty nice. So let's open it up and see how this came out. So I remember saying they were black capital Oxfords. Nope, my mistake. And I'll show you what color they are. A moment. The thank you card from Kirby Allison. Touch and comes this nice Kirby Allison Wellington box. It's pretty nice. So here's a certification for Kirby Allison repair, and here it has Jim McFarland's signature here. It says Allen Edmonds, Park Avenue. Recrafting date 10/3/19. Cobbler name Jim McFarland. The 17-time award-winning cobbler. So, and it says checklist. The checklist here says fully inspected, old cork filling removed, old weld stitching removed, refilled with 100% new cork, JR oak bark tanned outsole, invisible outsole stitching, new Wellington shoelaces, conditioned, shined, and polished. So all of those on the checklist are checked. So let's check the shoes. If you guys are wondering, yes, I bought these on eBay for a whopping $50. So it comes with these individual shoe bags. Nice touch too. So voila, look at these babies now. Wow, I'm loving the JR Oak Bark tan leather outsoles that they installed. Man, look at the real leather heel with the Vibram rubber here. It's amazing. But look how the leather looks now compared to the way I showed you in my last video. So make sure you check it out. Looks fantastic. I'm loving it. Oh yeah, and look at the invisible channel stitching. So with the regular Allen Edmonds pair, you will get the regular open channel stitching, but with the Kirby Allison shoe restoration program, the sour and gray version, you get invisible channel stitching. You can see here, you can barely see the stitching, and over time, if the sole wears out, you still barely see the stitching around the bottom of the shoe. So let's just look at the other shoe. Comes with the shoe bag as well. And later in the video, we'll answer a question that I'm sure mostly everyone, including myself, are asking themselves. Let's see. Visible channel stitching looks so uniform, but you do stepping on the ground, nobody will barely see unless you're crossing, unless you cross your legs and then expose the bottom of the shoe. I'm telling you, it's no wonder why Jim McFarland is a 17-time award-winning shoe cobbler, because of his amazing work with shoes. So if you want to get your shoes resoled and recrafted, look no further than Jim McFarland in Lakeland, Florida. So search him up on Google Maps if you're in the Florida area, or if you just want to do business from out of state with Jim McFarland, or if you want to, you could do like what I did and bought the Kirby Allison Sovereign Grade shoe restoration. So you guys, I almost forgot, it also comes with the shoe horn to put your shoes on meticulously, so you don't wear the back portion of the shoe here. So here's my take on the Kirby Allison shoe restoration program. I say yes, go for it. If you're an average consumer like me and you just can't afford to buy a $695 pair of shell Cordovan shoes, or to put it this way, a regular Allen Edmonds calfskin leather shoe for a retail price of $395, I say buy your shoes on eBay for a good deal, and then have your shoes get the Sovereign Grade Kirby Allison shoe restoration program for $265, which I would say save you a few extra dollars. It's your call. I obviously paid $50 for these eBay shoes and $265 investment in restoring your shoes. I'd say it's a good deal. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think it's worth investing $265 to recraft the $50 pair Allen Edmonds from eBay? Let me know what you guys think. See for yourself. Yeah, I didn't really show much details on the shoes before getting the restoration, so you be the judge. I'd say yes. You don't want to spend $400 on a brand new pair of shoes, or $695 or $700 on a brand new pair of shell Cordovan dress shoes from Allen Edmonds. I mean, go for it. Other than that, you guys, thank you guys for joining me once again. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video. Check out my sneaker videos as well. I'm a sneakerhead since childhood. I've always liked Jordans since I was probably in junior high school. So, and I am starting to invest in good pair of dress shoes, you know. But what good is it if you have all these Jordans in your collection, and if you can't dress up well with a good pair of dress shoes, then something is wrong there, you know. So other than that, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Deuces.